Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 8. Remember that we are solving SAM assignment. Course name is IT 116 Advanced Excel Template. Okay, so first we just open our projects. In today's video, we discuss Excel 2021 in practice, chapter 8 guided project 821. In start, we just download our required file, we call that solution file. Okay, then and once we done our file, then we again come here and we upload here and we get the result. Okay, so now we are moving toward guided project 821. We are on window. Beyond logistic is developing a template with micros. To complete the template, you record micro, assign them button from control, edit VB editor and click create micro enable workbook. So student learning SLOs, these SLOs will be covered in today project. Skills cover in this project. What skill we will get from today project? Set micro security option, save micro enable template, record VBA micro, record a micro with relative reference, record micro with absolute reference, run VBA micros, assign micros to the button from control, edit micro in Visual Basic Editor. So all these skills will be covered in today assignments. Here is our instruction. So before going to solve today assignment step by step, first we move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today assignments. So in today assignment we have question number 12, 13, 14, 15, then 16. Okay, we have 16 question in grade report. Okay, we have 16 question in grade report. Remember that we are solving Excel 2021 in practice chapter 8 guided project 821. Now we are moving toward instruction file and we are going to solve this assignment step by step. Steps to complete this project. Mark the steps as checked when you complete them. Okay, so in first part we have to open this start file or solution file that is open already. Then the file will rename automatically, include your name, change project file name if it is needed. Click on enable editing and file name. My name is automatically added there. Okay, so first part is done. Now we are moving toward next part of today's assignment. Set microsecurity and display developer tab. So we have to set microsecurity and display developer tab in first part. In customer 2 first part, we have to click option command, file tab and click trust center. File, option command and there is trust center. Okay. Then trust center setting button, click on micro setting. We have to click on micro setting there. Okay. Then verify or select disable VBA micro with notification and click OK. We have to verify or select disable VBA micro with notification. Okay. Then click customize ribbon in left pane and display developer tab. Okay, after that simply press OK. Now in my case developer tab is already there, and if you haven't have developer tab then you right click on any tab, right click on there, then click on customize ribbon, and from in main tabs there is developer tab. There is developer tab that is already added in my case, but in your case that is not added, so you have to edit that one, then simply press OK, so that will be there. Okay, so question number 2 is done. In question number 2 there are 4 parts and we have done each and every part step by step. In first part we have to click option button, option command in file tab and click trust center. Then in part B, we have to click cross center settings button and click micro setting in left pane. Then in part C, we have to verify and select disable VBA micro with notification and click OK. Then in part D, we have to click customize ribbon in left pane and display developer tab and close Excel option. Yes, everything is done. So customer number 2 is done. Now we are moving toward customer 3. Save the workbook as micro enable template. Okay, so we have to choose save as from file tab first. File, save as. Okay, then we have to choose Excel micro enable template. From here we have to use Excel micro enable workbook. Then simply press save. Okay, so this is also we have to check save. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3, we have to save the workbook as micro enable template. So for that, in first part, we have to choose save as from file tab. Then in next part, we have to choose Excel micro enable template in save as a type list. Note custom office template folder is selected. Yes, then in part C, we just simply press save and we come on our main sheet. Okay, so now our file is saved as micro enable file. So question number 3 is done. After solving question 3, now we are moving toward question number 4. Record micro with relative reference to date stamp the sheet. So in first part, we have to click use relative reference button in developer tab code group to enable command. Okay, so we have to click use relative reference button. That is in developer tab code group. There is, yes, use relative reference. Okay, then in next part we have to select cell H1. Where is H1? There is H1. We have to select that one. Then click record micro button that is in developer tab code group. Developer tab in code group we have to click on record micro. Then in type date stamps in micro name. We have to name that name. You will not use shortcut because you will assign the micro to a button. Okay, so verify or choose this workbook. Okay, done. Then click on description box and type this one. So in description box here we have to paste that one. Then type equal to select today and press enter. Okay, now we have to move toward simply press OK. Now we have to move toward H1. There we have to put equal sign. Then select today and press enter. Okay, we have to write equal then today to get today date. Press enter. We get today date. This insert today date in cell H1 and move insertion point in H2. Yes. So part G is done. Now we are moving toward part H where we have to press up arrow one time. One time and press Ctrl C. This copies today date. Okay, now we have to move up arrow, then Ctrl C. That will copy today date. Then Ctrl V to paste the date in H1. This display paste option button. Okay, in paste option button we have to choose paste value. Paste values. Okay. Done. This part is also done. This part is also done. Okay. Now press escape to remove moving border. Okay. So question number 4, part K is done. Now we are moving toward part I. In part I, what we have to do? Click stop recording button to the right of ready indicator in status bar. The screen text for a button is a micro recording. Click stop recording. Okay. Now we have to move toward there and click on stop recording. Okay. So question number 4 is done. Question number 4 is quite big one. Okay. In question number 4, we have to record a micro with relative reference to date stamp the sheet. In first part, we have to click use relative reference button, that is in developer tab in code group. After that, then we select cell H1. Then in part C, we have to click record micro button. In D, we have to type date stamp in micro name box. Then in part E, we have to verify or choose this workbook. Then in part F, we have to click description box and type this one. Then in part G, we have to move towards cell H1 and we have to in this today function there. Then copy and paste again there in H1. And in option button, in paste option, we have to in today as a value. Okay. Then press escape in part K. Then in part I, we have to click the stop recording button. Then in part M, we have to click the use relative reference button to disable the command. Okay, we have to click on there so that command will be disabled. So question number 4 is done. After solving question number 4, now we are moving toward question number 5. Test the macro. Now we have to test that macro that we have developed in question number 4. Delete the content of cell H1 and select H2. Okay, now we have to delete this content, then select H2. Okay. Then in next part, we have to click micro button, this one. Then select date stamp and click run. Date stamp and click run. Okay, for this we have to first close this book, then again open this one, then our micro will be work. Okay. So now click on developer in micro data stamp, then now run. Now this will be working. There is some problem, so that must be working, but there is some problem with micros. Okay. So then delete content of cell H2. Okay. Right click and then simply delete that one. Okay. So question number 5 is done. In question number 5, we have to test the micro that we have developed in question number 4. In first part, we have to delete the content of cell H1 and select H2. Then in part B, we have to click micros button, that is in developer tab in code group. Then in part C, we have to select date stamp and click run. Today date is entered as text in H2. Then in part D, we have to delete the content of cell H2. So question number 5 is done. After solving question number 5, now we are moving toward question number 6. So now we are moving toward question number 6. Record a micro with absolute reference to display unique contractor names. So confirm that use relative reference button is not active. Yes, that is not active. Then next word, click record micro button. Okay. Then type this in micro name box. You will use short and unique from lookup reference category. Okay. Then do not use shortcut. Yes. Then verify or choose this verbal. Yes, that is there. Then import if we have to click description box and we have to type this one in description. Then simply press OK. Now select cell I5. This is the first code in your micro to select I5. Select I5. Where is I5? I5. Okay. Select I5. This is the first code to in your micro to select I5. Then in next word, click lookup reference button and select sort. The re-argument is unique function. We sort, we have to select sort from there. Okay. Then click name box arrow, choose more function and find the select unique in lookup reference. Click name box arrow, choose more function. And there we have to choose name box and more function and unique. Okay, this one. Then in part J, we have to confirm the function argument box is for unique and select this one. Then in part K, we have to click sort in formula bar to return to function argument. Click OK. Then click stop recording. Okay. Now we can check this one. Okay, we can verify that one. We are unique table 1. Okay, this. Now we have to stop recording. Developer stop recording. Okay. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6, there are many parts we have done. Question number 6, step by step. In question number 6, again we have to record a micro with absolute reference to display unique contractor name. So confirm that use relative reference button is not active. First we have done then we click on record micro and we have in all these data there and we get the result. Okay. Same way we will solve question number 7, 8 and up to 16. Yes, we have 16 questions, so we will solve 16. So in today's video we have discussed Excel 2021 in practice chapter 8 guided project 821. In start we download our start file or we call solution file, then we move toward there and we discuss the SLOs that we will cover. Then we move toward skill cover in today project and we discuss all the skills that will cover in today project. Then we move toward instruction file and we have done question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first 7 to 8 is 6 to 8, 6 to 7 question are done in today video. Mean almost 50% assignment is done from my side in today video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. That's my guarantee. That's my promise. Remember that my number is also, my WhatsApp number is also available there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve, and you will get E grade 100% marks. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. But remember that I am also expert of mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, SQL project, Power BI project, textbook project, SimBook project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may contact me. I am available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks. That's my guarantee. That's my promise because I'm in this field from last 10 years. So you can trust on me, and you will get 100% marks whenever I will solve your assignment. And it's the biggest opportunity for every client that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way, you will remain safe from the scammer because there are many scammers in the market who took the payment from the client but they didn't solve their assignment. So from my side, that's the biggest opportunity that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way, you will remain safe from scammer and you will get A grade 100% marks. Our payment will be reasonable so you can easily afford that one. In today's video, we discuss 7-minute assignment. That name is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 8 guided project 8 to 1. We have done almost 50 to 55% assignment in today's video. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment. Okay.